South Africa, we have.
And the it's a jump.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow!
Oh, they're getting up as well.
Babies. They've got to get in the water now because they know we're coming.
We're getting knockers, is he?
Now I can see them. They're running because they know we're coming. Now they can pick the boat.
You know what? Sometimes they get in the water because the steam is, you know, if they are outside the water, the steam can damage with the sun rays. So that's why they are always in the water. And
Yeah, they've all got to put their heads up to watch us.
You know, if you fell in there, you'd be gone because they're aggressive.
Yeah, I know. And they don't like us. Look, he's going to go under next to the boat.
you can take pictures as many as you can.
Okay, let me see. There's a go pop up and move the boat.
See the young one?
One's coming up somewhere.
Oh, that would be so good.
That's the male.
Yeah.
And then if you look that one, you see that one that side?
Yeah.
It's got to have like pink eyes. You see that one that side. You see the eyes? And then look, the ball is a little bit not the same.
They're all gone under.
Oh, he's not happy, I see.
Going, isn't he?
Can't balance yourself properly, yeah, really aggressive, yeah. They can tip this boat.
The bubbles.
I don't know if they can. They can move it, I think.
I think they sit in the shadows in the water. Look at the baby over there. Oh, what was that?
Something was there, wasn't it?
He's gone over there.
Yeah,
That's the big one.
This is an ostrich. Yeah, it's a male.
Male ostrich.
Yeah, it's a male.
I love that you know whether it's a male or female. I don't see where it is.
Wow. Oh, not right next to me, mate.
Oh, he's not happy.
Stare them out.
Also an elephant. It's also an elephant.
Oh, I see. Yeah, licking its tail.
They're way back. Next to the tall trees.
Oh, I see, yeah. Forward, forward. Now there, through the bush. See his face?
Am I blocking you?
No, that's good. You see his face? Lovely.
Oh,
That is lovely.
Wait. Yeah?
Oh, hey, he's listening.
Oh, no.
So, oh.
Yeah, now you know the zebra cross.
Oh, that's amazing, man. Oh, that scared me. Which one's doing that? Oh, they got some teeth on them, haven't they?
That's the male, isn't it? It comes, yeah.
Yeah, it's the big one. Yeah, top.
A lot of them have got babies. looking at her?
Come so close, feeling that she's comfortable in the presence of the best.
Looking, some of them.
Oh, you're not giving it eaten.
It's amazing.
Cool, what, isn't it?
Ones that are quite up the top, how they get up there, it takes forever. All these jumping, you know.
That one's big.
Yeah, but at the top.
Right at the top, it's giving.